welcome back to another vlog. We're making lunch right now, and for breakfast actually I made poha, but I was not shooting that time, so couldn't record it, but it was so good. And right now we're making lunch. That is hash browns over here in our skillet.
We are having breakfast for lunch.
Yeah, we're having breakfast for lunch basically. And then I'm gonna be making eggs over here, and we're gonna split one bagel. Everything bagel is over here. Let me see. Yeah, it's done. I'm gonna toast it and put some cream cheese, and so good. And for the eggs and for the hash brown, we're gonna do onion, and I'm gonna chop up some tomato. We're gonna use American cheese, and the food is ready like that. Our lunch is ready. You can see breakfast for lunch. We have scrambled egg, hash browns, and half a bagel with cream cheese and mixed fruit jam. Going to TJ Maxx because I need to get some stuff, and then from there we're gonna go to Walmart only because this guy here has been obsessing over hash browns. And today when we made the hash browns, like literally half cup of hash browns are left. Whoop! Just missed the signal, but yeah, only half cup of hash browns are left, and he was like, we have to get it before it finishes, so we're going to Walmart to get that.
Marvel, are you tired from the walk? So he runs away as soon as he realizes that she's gonna spray him with the Listerine or apple cider vinegar.
Yes.
Well, we came back. You guys saw we went to TJ Maxx, and then we also went to Walmart, and then we came back, and I bought a bunch of toys for Marvel because in 4 days it's his birthday. I'm not gonna show it to you guys now because you can just see it on his birthday vlog, but Tanya did want to show some of this stuff, so I will let her show you guys what she got from TJ Maxx. And I want to eat paneer, and I want to eat Lachha paratha with garlic and cilantro, so I guess I'm gonna be making that.
The new addition, it was just
no, I said garlic and cilantro in butter. So I'm gonna be making that for the first time. I have made Lachha paratha in many styles before. We have made it actually before, and paneer in many styles before. So this is gonna be like, I'm not gonna show you the recipe. I'm just gonna make it. But if it turns out good, then you're in for a treat.
All right. Let me start with the best stuff. Right? Where are you?
Yeah, trying to take my slipper back from Marvel.
Oh. Okay, the best stuff that I got from TJ Maxx is this today. Look at that. These are mugs with the plates, espresso mugs basically. And oh, this is from the brand The Nook. I don't know the brand, but who cares? It's so good. They are dishwasher and microwave safe. Look at that. Beautiful cup and plate. So now I'm gonna drink tea next time. I'm gonna take 2 biscuits over here, cookies or something, and then my tea. Nice. I love something like this. They're so cute and beautiful. I got some clips. These are just normal clips. These ones, ow, These ones were the pretty ones. These ones were the pretty ones, and some scrunchies, and these are another my favorite scrunchies. Look how beautiful. So Marvel has the habit of always pulling my these normal scrunchies from my hair when they are tied, and if he sees this on my hair, I don't know what he's gonna do. Let's see. Yep. Let me know how you guys like it. I can either put it like that, or I can either put this. The way he's giving me ideas from behind, I have no idea what he's saying. But anyways, or I just do it like this. I think this is better.
What? No, it's a scrunchie in the front of your forehead.
But yeah, these were the things we got.
It could be a TikTok video when you wear a scrunchie wrong.
Yeah.
Your husband's reaction. Watch some friends, make some dinner, and then eat it.
I've been very lazy the whole day.
I mean, I can cook.
No, I don't mind cooking. But yeah. Look at all the veggies that is cut up over here.
And these are sweet peppers, so they are not bell peppers.
These are sweet peppers.
We need sweet peppers with some green pepper, tomatoes, garlic,
ginger.
Sorry, ginger. All the khara masala in there.
Woo. And the dough is ready over here. This is our freshly made homemade paneer that we're defrosting, and we're gonna cut it up and put it there.
Alright guys, so everything you saw in there is everything you saw in there is all the peppers, the big onion pieces. I added a lot of masala today. I added karai paneer, I added kasuri methi, I added some of the tomato paste from which company it was? The tomato paste we got. We actually get tomato paste Campbell, I guess, and then keep it like this.
Yeah.
After we open it, so 2 spoons of that, and then a lot of masalas that I will tell you if this recipe is successful. Then you will see it on our food channel.
Yep.
I'm trying it with these combinations for the first time, like with sweet peppers and this and that. So it is looking really good. Masala is really tasty. I tasted it. So I'm really excited to put the paneer in once the peppers are a little bit cooked. You don't want them too soggy. And that's it. That's gonna be it. And then I'll show you how to make the Lachha parathas.
Right.
Is that right?
Is that right?
Alright guys, so you basically
So see, this is what we are making.
roll the paratha, have your garlic butter inside, and then have your little bit of dust your this thing, and then you roll it.
Yeah, but what is that?
Garlic Lachha paratha.
No. Paratha?
No, I don't. Yeah, you do. It's the bread.
It's the bread that you like.
Oh, yeah, it's paratha bread.
And that's it. And
What
just roll
are
it.
they doing?
We're making paratha bread.
And just roll it, I guess.
Yep, and now when you roll, you see all those layers coming in. That is your kawan.
Astro, what are you looking up in the sky? Oh, baby.
There was a plane that drove by.
I remember he used to sit in the couch and he used to look up at the fan. Oh, I cannot imagine his face.
I know.
I did on your sweater, Ashley.
It's supposed to be raining all day tomorrow.
No, child.
Oh.
Yeah, it's gonna rain and then it's gonna be like a high of 64.
No,
Oh, nice. For some time.
I know. You guys will need some winter clothes when you guys come up here.
Yes.
Mary and Tony have taken out their winter clothes.
We are gonna buy winter clothes from there only.
Oh yeah, that's
Because
smart.
we'll be needing it every year.
You have no idea guys how delicious this looks, and I think Tanya tasted the sabji and it came out really well, right?
Yeah, very good.
So this is definitely gonna make up to the recipe book for
Yes.
YouTube.
Even this.
Oh yes, and the parathas as well. We haven't tasted them though, but they look so good.
Yeah.
So we are gonna do what? Watch
Marco Polo.
So we are gonna go watch Marco Polo and enjoy our dinner and see you guys after. We're done with the dinner and we almost lost track of time. It's 10:20. Tanya is relaxing over here. We were watching Marco Polo and we almost didn't realize it's that late. So now I'm gonna go edit this vlog for you guys. And she's gonna wind up the kitchen and then we are gonna edit the vlog and hit the bed. So in order for us to edit this vlog, we have to say goodbye to you and see you in our next vlog. So until then, bye bye!